Alright, welcome back, baby. I think we're good. I think we're back. I think we're live again. I have no idea what the hell just happened. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Do-do-do-do-do-do. All right. I think we're back. Yeah, we're good. Should be good to go. Weird. Very interesting stuff going on. Not sure what just happened, but alright, I'm gonna run to the bathroom. I'll be right back. We're almost at that 153 level, so looks like we're breaking out on the 5 minute. 15 minutes looking strong. Some orders coming in. Get on your feet. Good morning, good morning. What's going on, Pasquale? Thank you for the sound check. Appreciate you. Good morning, Jonathan. What's going on? Got into an Apple day trade real quick. Currently up about 10%. I don't know what happened with that. That was weird. System just kind of like stopped working. It's not cool. Let's see. The NDAX spread is about a little bit under break even. AMC came down a little bit. Still holding up. Oh. Hey, Apple's on a breakout on the 30 minute. It's just squeezing. We gotta see what happens here. So it looks like if we hold above 152s, we should be able to get a move higher. Let's see. 152.43 might have been the top for the day. Amazon looks to be moving up another percent of the day. Dude, I feel like I'm missing Amazon. It's going to 3,500 today. Roku 297 after the 310 pop. Facebook in. Oops. Facebook's still chilling. What's DocU? Still 285. Alright, well, I'm just gonna chill here. I'm gonna run to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Watch the Apple. SPY to all-time highs. Welcome back. I'm back. Apple 150. Didn't hold 152s, huh? Or is my computer frozen again? That would not be good. Alright, so Facebook's coming back to break even, I guess. Oh, for $2 drop, really? Interesting. Welcome to the chat, baby. If you're in the chat and you're not talking in chat, what are you doing? I'm just kidding. Let's see if Apple hits this 157. 151.73. This is consolidating. Volume still relatively low. It's holding 152 pretty nicely. Or spoke too soon, maybe? Okay. Let's see what's going on, Apple. What are you trying to do, baby? There's a dip situation on the 1 minute. Oh, SPY coming down a little. Is it on the 5? We're like, come on, for real? Patterns on patterns on patterns, come on, man. Down 36% on that day trade. Market's up. Apple's still up green on the day. About a tenth of a percent. See if the sticky situation flips the script. Looks like the premiums are getting eaten a little bit. Or a whole lot of bit. Do do do. Do do do. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, so this is what I hate about Apple, right? These premiums are now worth 10 cents I've seen premiums on Apple go as low as, oh, watch Apple. It needs to hold this level 150, 156. If it doesn't, we're clapped. If you haven't pulled out by now. I'll be patient throughout the day. We'll see what happens. It looks like it's already selling off, but if this could bounce and keep going, then we'll see, but I don't think so. Do. Do. It's a deep burn right here on Apple. A deep burn. Hey, we're below the EMA, so we might get another ripper, just like that. Let's see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Or the continuation down, we'll see. Still early, it's about 30 minutes into the day, not even. Here comes SPY, hitting a new high. We should have just took SPY instead. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bros. Alright, Apple's bouncing a little bit now. Just run on the flexible grid. So I'll just put it up here. It's a little bit bigger to see. This is Apple on the 15-minute for the premiums. This looks choppy on the 5-minute. It's real ugly. We will see what happens next. But in the meanwhile, the Apple's at about 22% down from entry. Entry was around 15 cents. I'm just holding these out a little bit longer, just going to see how they play out. We do have until tomorrow, so it could be kind of a Lotto Friday kind of thing if we can get into it, or if we can get another pump. So we'll see. So far, even though it's on the downside, it looks like it's trying to make a recovery. So I'll update you in a sec. Looks like the premiums are squeezing. I mean, even if this hits 50 cents, it's a good amount, 2-3x. But I'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to take a quick call and get some coffee, and I'll be right back. Enjoy the music. Hit me up with Sava calls, day trade. I'll take a look real quick. Sava, I'm not a fan. It's already popped a shit ton. Apple's coming back. It's just because Sava has probably more expensive premium, but that's just me. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright. Are we still live?
Monkey.
Yeah, Pasquale, can you just answer if you could hear this real quick? Just testing. can't tell if you guys can hear me or not. So if someone can just give me like a thumbs up, or an emoji, a yes, and no. Awesome. Alright, cool. Thank you. Yeah, for some reason the system, YouTube Studio is slacking, boy. See that real quick Google bill. Acting's kind of turning on these premiums. Kind of like that. See, maybe we get something Oh, my bad. I appreciate it. I forgot I had the music on. Yeah, I was gonna hop off for a second, just take a call, but we're good now. Jimmy Solemo, what's going on, baby? Appreciate the stop sign, baby. See, we're catching drifts here. All right, let's see. Apple is slowly coming back. Mackey's rolling a little bit, so even though the premium's down from the entry, I'm not too worried yet. To me, it looks like you're getting like this kind of descending triangle breakout on the premium, right? Which kind of could relate to this triangle breakout in the stock price. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens next, okay? Only down about 15% now, so. Need a breakout here. Let's see. The Robinhood port is chilling. Facebook premiums kind of came down a little bit. They're still holding above entry. Amazon 5,000 call that we had from the lottos coming back a little bit. Not nearly as much as I'd like it to. It feels like everything's kind of slowly consolidating. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Apple's coming down now. We can get above 152 is what we need. I'm in the Apple 152.5 call 11:19. How's it looking? Well, an extra week out is definitely better. I actually didn't even bother to look at the 19 call. What's that going for? $2, yeah. At the money. Definitely better. If you, yeah, I was saying if we break the 152.43, what we're looking for was a move to 153.19. But right now we're just consolidating in this range here. That's the 1 minute, but here's the 5 minutes. So we're just consolidating in this kind of layer. We did try to test it. You'll see right here. We did test above, kind of came back down. Now we're consolidating. So unless we break below pre-market lows or this kind of wick here, which we're trading inside, could be sketch. A lot of Doge candles, so we'll see what happens, or Doji candles, however you want to call them. So our premium's kind of getting chopped up a little bit. Yeah, no problem, Jim. Jimmy. Yo, the Roku's bouncing, dude. That Roku's actually come back a little bit. Afraid to take Apple off, but whatever. Look at the Roku. It's a bull flag right there. If I've ever seen one. Right? Flagging. Continuation. The fact that this candle opened up above these, if it chases this wick, you're looking for probably a 310 or 308.75 move. Needs volume though. Apple's looking iffy. Apple's looking like puts. Kind of thinking we should just pull out if it breaks here. We'll see. It's wicking, so see what the next candles hold. It's currently down 30%, but watch Apple on the low. Y'all don't like Apple anymore, huh? The day I trade it, market doesn't like Apple. Tisk. Apple squeeze alert. Let's see what goes on here. I'm not even gonna look at the premium really. Let's just look at something else. QCOM, if you sold this morning, someone was asking me about if I should sell QCOM this morning. They had calls for the 155, 1119. They probably printed, but the profit taking is a real thing. NVAX, freaking stable. No news on NVAX. Wait, what? No. What else were we looking at? Yeah, here's Sava on the 15 minute. Kind of flagging here on the 15. I'm sure the premiums are probably pricey, but who knows? Could bounce. I would say, I know someone just asked me about Sava, so if you were the one asking, here's the analysis. Does Roku pull a QS? Miss earnings and rip? Probably. Roku's a freaking powerhouse, dude. Like, I don't think people really realize like how valuable that freaking company is. Anyway, what I was gonna say was, let's see. Yeah, someone was asking about Sava. You could probably see another ripper like this. I don't know what. Oh, it has earnings. That's why it's. Did the earnings numbers even come in? Oh, okay. Because Sava got halted on the circuit breaker to the downside. Interesting. I don't know. I would stay away from it. It's a risky trade. You could try to get this on a little bit of a lower RSI and a MACD dip if you want to try to scalp it or something, but it's not worth it for me. A little risky there. DDDD systems. Triangle breakout. Probably looks like it might drop its earnings, but we'll see what happens there. Docu. Oh, look at that. See what happens when you miss on Docu? We saw this at 285.88. I see what you're doing there, Docu. I see what you're doing. You bastard. Let's do green. Do 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 do. We'll see what happens on the earnings. Earnings are on 11th, end of the month. Docu, I'm not gonna lie, dude. Docu looks really good for like a 310 run up into earnings. These contracts aren't bad. I should have pulled the trigger on these instead of Apple. Copy charts on link. Who knows? Maybe Apple actually ends up printing and we could rotate it to Docu. Yeah, look at this Docu premium, dude. This is nasty. That's a lot of bread. If you feel what I'm saying. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I might take one off the face. Oh, no, I don't have enough cream there. Balls. Whoa, Apple trying to get tossed down. Whatever just came in through there. Someone just must have dropped a fat short on Apple. Oh, 47,000 short? On what time is that? 10:34? 33? Jeez. Do 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 do. Alright, Apple, once again, 152s. Dude, we're getting, the premiums are just getting ripped. Oh wait, I have some cash in the small account. Okay. Not enough to play the planning book. See if we go out a little bit longer. This one we can do. The 315s. Do 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 do. Oh, the 315s don't look that good though. Historical premium's not great. $320s look a little better. A little better. Let me see something. Let's just take a look. Dude, Apple is literally such garbage. Freaking hate the stock so damn much. I knew this was gonna happen. Just gonna play with my games, play with my emotions. What is this, the 5 minute? Let's go to 15. It's just squeezing. Dude, this thing better freaking pop so hard. Why should I even bother? Bum 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 bum. Do 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 do. See, docu by 11, the end of the month. So we had a month to get up to here. See what the last 20 days were. These are up a little bit. Apple, why do you play games with me? I don't know. Do 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 do. This is what I hate about Apple, is that every time I play it, I get one of these plays that's like real cheap, right before Friday. Get frustrated, I sell, and I'm like, whatever, it's like a $100 loss or sell 50% loss. And then as soon as I sell, within like 10 minutes later, it just freaking just rips. Like it's happened to me so many times. That's why I've just kind of stayed away from playing it. I'm just gonna try to go full degen on this one. Alright, so let's get back into the docu. 1, 2. If this bounces, oh no. Come on, go green. Give me a third time bounce. Shit, this is unbelievable. I feel like this is the moment where Apple just goes like all the way down. Where's Spy? Is Spy coming down? Spy's at 467, bro. What the hell? What is going on, bro? This is not like Apple. Market trips, Apple consolidates. It's kind of crazy. It's not realistic. This market is effed. Novavax. Novavax is chilling for a break. Oh, consolidation breakout. Hopefully. Apple dumping now. I'm telling you, this is going to end up being the Lotto Friday for tomorrow for so many people. It's going to suck if I cut. I know it. Watch out, it's slipping now. So if you want to take the L, you can. I'm just trying to be real patient with it. Do 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 do. All right, let's look at something else. Gonna take a look at Penn. Oops. Penn National Game. Oh my, clapped. Jesus Lord. Sorry. Wow. Not so good earnings or what? Yeah, it came short on earnings. Ooh, God, this is ugly. After big profit miss, as momentum slowed mid-corner, Penn National. Revenue beat, Barstool Sports in 10 states, omni-channel growth. They missed on earnings for sure. But the revenue's increasing. I wonder how that affected DKNG, because the CEO's the same. Yeah, rip. That sucks. Where's the Amazonian? That was at $3,444 when we saw it last. Boom, $34.55 now. I'm telling you, this is gonna go to $3,500 by the end of the day. I am guaranteeing it. Oh, did it already hit 35? No. Sure as hell will though. Tell you that much. Oh, I gotta add that 30-day 4-hour here. Oh, so I have something. I have something interesting for everyone. Where the hell is the? There we go. Yeah, it's probably gonna set at 35. Workhorse. Yeah. I have a weird conception on Workhorse. I think after the earnings, we're going to see the same thing that happened here. It has a 40% short float. It is a highly squeezable stock with a very decent amount of time for shorts to cover. I think it's like five to 10 days. Oh, dude. Did my video stream cut out? I don't know. We're good. I think we're good. It's like five to 10 days. Yeah, we're good. Anyway, so yeah, I think this could be a potential next short squeeze. Similar, I'm not going to say like exactly, but it has the similar components to AMC and GameStop. There isn't like a moasses of people doing this or buying it, but if it ends up on Wall Street Bets, it's very possible. So, we will see. We will see. I think you're good. All right, thanks, baby. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. It's like saying my. Apparently, there's not enough video to YouTube, but we'll see. We'll see. Portfolio, dude, the Robinhood portfolio was doing so well. And then earnings season happened. We'll get there, baby. We'll get there. Gotta get off this 1 minute sub. Descending triangle breakout. Apple? Huh? Maybe? If we can get out of this Apple with profits, I'm telling you right now, I'm throwing it at Workhorse. And then I won't even look at this account, and I'll just set a trigger alert for like $15. Oh, nice. Yeah, my boy just hit a 10K banger on Tesla. That's crazy for the weekly. He probably I think he paid like $2, flipped it for like 23K. That's wild. He must have that bastard. He must have just lottoed the hell out of that damn thing and just been like, all right, whatever. Because he does that. He has like a crazy lotto account. He just like takes a lot of profits and then just rotates into like I'm gonna just lotto this money, go all in. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Interesting strategy. I'm not gonna knock it. Hello, Apple. Welcome back from the dead, you little bastard. Side note, I'm more mad that Tesla hit 1,000. I had the 1,200 call, and I was like literally a weekend late. I think that's the worst feeling. Apple's looking like it's trying to break out of this little consolidation range here from the 151's 5, if you will, to 152. So it's about a 50-cent range. So we'll see what we get. Still haven't found a trade that looks like. Oh my, Nvidia off the QCOM earnings, dude. You see what I'm saying? Hell, dude. Jesus Christ. When's Nvidia's earnings? Nvidia's probably gonna be like 300 plus again. Just off their earnings. This is all QCOM. Off the QCOM move. Bro, that's disgusting. Dude, Nvidia. This is off a stock. Oh wait, Nvidia had a stock split too. This is 4-1, so they're what, $1,200 a share technically, roughly. And it's still pushing. That's just disgusting. Can you imagine having a lotto thinking like, oh, like I'm gonna trade down here back to break even at 2.6, and then you just wake up with like a freaking 10,000% return? Let's take a look at these. I know these premiums probably went stupid. Yeah, like look, all of these are like 3,000 to 4,000x, or 3,000 to 4,000% return. All I gotta say is it's gonna be a rough bear market when people start realizing that, like, hey, there's not much room for this to go straight up again. Should probably pull out, kind of thing. But yeah. Just saying. Just saying. Do. I kind of just want to like. I really kind of just want to take out everything, all the plays that I currently have, and just restart 500, just all in one play. Just maybe I need to do that. just go everything all into the Facebook. Like on this account, just take it all, put it back into like a good long-term play. It's been one hell of a road with this small account challenge. Technically the account's up like 1% if we hold this balance. If we hold above 500. Let's see. I want to sell my shares. Oh, I think you're good. Fubo Kiss 35 today. Want to sell my shares. Swing around 45. Here's my thought. Rather than selling your shares, I wonder why they're coming. Could be. I'm not sure why they're coming down today. But rather than selling your shares, I don't know how many you have, but you should just keep your shares long term. Coming from someone that just like I instantly regretted when I sold my shares, and now it's kind of like I'm waiting for another massive dip opportunity to get into them. But if you look at this from a weekly perspective, look at your chart, right? Look at all the upside room you have. Like this is, let's say you had shares at 35 or maybe 30, I'm assuming. But look at this, look. Floor number 1, floor number 2, floor number 3, right? So we're looking at a $7 increase here. It's about another $6 to $7 increase here. So another $30 is probably going to be a floor for another $7 to $8 increase here. Let's just say that this is your new floor. Another $7, you'll probably be around here. So regardless, look at the floors that you're creating, right? They're all. This is your ink. Look, you just got to be patient. I wasn't patient. I tried to make a little sum down nothing, but look at all that. That's a lot of space, dude. That's $30 a share increase on top of your shares at wherever you're at right now. If you have patience, you can make it free. And then what you could do is, I don't know how many shares you have, but if you have 100 shares, you could sell covered calls. Wheel strategy, right? Keep the equity and then sell collect premium. Where's Skills? Skills had earnings and I think they crapped the bed. No, they're doing alright. Do. Oh, it's bar charts, not Bizzango. Barchart.com. Options. Close. So let's see. Let's go most volume. Tesla 4, Apple, Nvidia, Neo, Amazon, AMC, Facebook, Moderna. Let's get into Moderna. 286. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. What the hell happened to them? Earnings? Christ. Dude, Moderna's getting worked. Not even clipped, they're just getting clockworked. That's a huge gap down. Can't touch that. Lululemon. 5. Oh, yikes. That's hella bread right there. American Airlines. I haven't seen the airlines. They've been quiet. AAL has been just consolidated for so long. So long. AAL might be a solid trade for Janu. You know my thing about American Airlines and the airlines? I have a weird feeling that I saw a recent headline that said China locked down again. And I don't want to, forecast anything, but kind of worried to see if they're going to lock down the countries again. That could really screw up the economy again. Or at least offset the market a little bit. Feel like you gotta play monthly with the airlines. So yeah, not a fan of airlines right now. Facebook calls up to 120. Let's see what's going on there. It's about 20% almost. Dude, Apple is just pissing me off. All right, let's check out. Intel's back to $50 a share. I might play the dip on Intel calls. Intel looks real good. Looks really good. Right there. Tapped. Came back. So we'll see how it plays out here. So I'm gonna close out at AMC for 54%. Actually, let's see the chart real quick. Sometimes I end up just closing out without even. Oh, the earnings. I want to say patience, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do-do. Do-do. AMC in the squeeze. You know what? Let's see if I can get a day trade. Not a day trade, a small short-term swing on Intel. Swaps shift pricing of second Fed hike into 2023 from 2022. Interesting. Very interesting. So let's see. Intel seems to have an 82.6% call ratio to put ratio. Do 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 do. Oh, Apple coming down. Get ready to cut your bags. That's dead. Apple's dead. That's ugly. Where's SPY? Market, yeah, SPY's coming down. probably just try to hold Apple as hard as I can through 151.27 because we're still like in this. Show you what I'm talking about. We're still in this range. None of these candles have broken outside yet of this body. This one is the one that's probably going to do it right now. So we'll see. We'll see what happens next. Yo, Apple doesn't want to die, bro. I don't know if you guys noticed this, but Apple's just been going like pop diddly every 30 seconds. Kind of annoying. Still alive though. Still alive. All right, let me get into the Intel play. Intel, I think, honestly, on the weekly kind of looks good. I know they had earnings. I think they did pretty decent. They're huge. I'm thinking we're going to get the same thing we got on this earnings and kind of a rotation play to the upside here. And this was last year, right? So I think we get the wick, and maybe the next 2 months it goes like 40%, right? Fills the gap. So that would be by, let's see if I can do it on the daily now. Fills the gap. It's not gonna show me. Alright, activate. Let's make it accurate. So yeah, that's the move we're looking for. That's the gap fill by pretty much the end of the month. Apple, you're such a piece of garbage. Yeah, Apple looks busted. Cards. Let's go by the week. Apple has fallen short. Next week, you'll probably see this play out. So Intel's factoring like a dollar move. I might get the 52.5. That's asking kind of a lot. It's like 5%. Let's see. See, did SPY drop? What's going on with SPY? Yeah. All right. It's been a rough week, man. I'm thinking about just like I might just reset. Just completely reset. Check is $30. All right, so the Apple's down 50%. I would just cut. I'm gonna ride mine out, but it is what it is. Whatever happens, happens. Price action is not looking so good, obviously, as you can see here. Market's kind of looking weird also. I don't like the way Apple really moved. I should have cut earlier at 23%, but whatever. We'll give it time to see if it could do any work. Oh, hopefully November's better than Choptober. Facebook plays doing okay. Let's get back into the regular charts. So the Facebook's doing okay. Actually, let's do it over here. The NVAX is an earnings play. And they have earnings today, I think. Honestly, well, like, we just need NVAX to go crazy. Like, if NVAX would just shoot, like, what do we have? What are they pricing in now on NVAX? Let's just double check. NVAX green. I'll put Apple back up over here. Oh, that's not Apple, but I'll put Apple there. So NVAX is pricing in $16, so about 10%. So I don't know if we'll get 255, but who knows? Who knows? The Intel play smells good. Yeah, no, the Intel looks. I honestly think I'm just trying to decide. Like, I don't want to do this weekly trade. I mean, I think the weekly could hit nicely. Let me go into the daily chart. I think the weekly trade could hit nicely. Here's my problem. From here, we went from $47 to about what? Pretty much 5%, right? The question is, Apple's dumping so hard. All right, I'm just gonna trim out some of the Apple. I'm gonna close 10 of the 20 contracts I got, and then I'm gonna leave 10. So, yeah, what I was gonna say was, I mean, it was trading up here. It started selling off today, so we'll see what happens. Looks like the market's slipping. Let's add another piece there. Yeah, market's coming down hard. Any news? House plans to hike taxes on rich. UK Labour Party blames breach of members' data. I don't know. We'll see what happens. See how that all pans out. Dude, that's a crazy... I don't know if you're... Dude, this is wild. The drops on this is disgusting. So something's happening. Something's happening that's bringing this whole market down, like, fast. So weird volatility candles going on in the market right now. I don't see any other news that's outside of this UK stuff. Cyber attack maybe? I don't know. So yeah, the Intel, we'll just watch here at 50. I would say if we can retest 50.31, we'll create the alert to cross above and look at the calls. But regardless, I was just saying, I don't know if I want to get the weekly or the monthly. The monthly doesn't look so bad. The 55 monthlies don't look bad. The 60 monthlies for December don't look too bad. Just have to see how everything works out with like labor and costs and stuff like that, and supply chain issues. But yeah, this is the premium chart for it on the daily. These are 12 cents into $3, so could be interesting. I want to see some real quick. So there's that, and then there's also I like the Januaries because you get a little bit more time. But the 60 calls, I was looking at these too. I think I actually like these better because they were leaps. So when you look at these, your premium difference is way different. There's a lot more upside. Right? So you can see these are up to 25 cents on the bounce from this week. So they're pretty much already up 100%, but you still have all this upside here. Actually, it's more like that. So yeah, just watching to see what happens. If maybe it comes down a little bit more. Who knows? Maybe market crashes, and it wouldn't even matter. It's possible. You are getting the rotation today, though. But yeah, I mean, like, I'm considering just putting everything into it. It looks the best. See if I can pick some up of these actually. So if we get 5. Let's see if we get just 2. Alright, so I got 2 of those Intel Januaries for the 60 call. For this January. Sorry. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Just send everything up for the next couple months. Who knows? Maybe the Facebook goes crazy and we don't have to worry about everything else. So we got 2 of those. We'll see if Intel saves the day eventually. Apple's trying to find and reclaim something here at the 151 level. I don't know if it'll do it, but we'll see. I'm just, like I said, I sold half of the losses and then kept half. I think the market has just been a little weird overall for a lot of people. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Get rid of all this crap. So we have that I don't need. This I don't need. All right, baby. So we made a play on Intel. We made a play on Intel. See how it pans out. And then I might take a riskier trade. So I'm going to get out of the AMC call on the Robinhood, selling that for about 83 cents if we get filled. I'm going to have to sell it for 82. Price action looks like crap. If I miss it, if AMC goes to the moon, screw it, whatever. It wouldn't be any different than when I've made it. Oh, come on, bro. You're not going to fill me? Alright, let's see if we get filled for 0.80. Still making about 50% profit there. Okay, so I'm out of that. I'm about to swing trade my way back up. Kind of getting annoyed. If you follow me on Twitter, I don't alert my exits. I do it on the live stream. So, just letting y'all know. Alright, so back to some buying power on the Robinhood again. Hopefully you can get another digital dash play and then take it from there. But we'll see. Amazon 5000. Let me review this real quick. I don't think we're going to get there anytime soon. You know, though, I might hold it because this is where we're currently at. So above here, 1119. We'll see. I gotta check out those premiums because I bought those at what price? I probably bought them so expensive. I spent my gosh, I so overpaid for that. I got those. I thought I got them at $2, but I got them at 87 cents a contract. So let's put Intel here, Amazon here. And we'll look at the chart real quick. So they have about 2 more weeks. They're 5,000 calls, and Amazon would essentially need to just like recoup everything. Copy. Put the chart here. Apple's starting to die again. Yeah, I don't know about these. Part of me wants to just take the 14 bucks and just move on, use it as buying power, and the other half of me just wants to hold it to see if it continues to recover. I mean, it's saying it's actually not that bad. Wait a minute. Let's just add one more. Let's just remove all this. Add that. So if this premium somehow gets to around like $1.15, could be a blast off signal on the weekly chart. Let's see on the daily. I don't think so. Oh yeah, we're about to. Might see Amazon pop soon. So anyway, I guess I'll just continue holding those. See if I make anything back, at least break even. I've been holding them already, so there's no point of not. And they have a little bit more time. But what was I going to say here? Here's the 30-day 4-hour. Let's go to the daily chart. Yeah, these are at 2 cents. I'm sure they'll pick up eventually. Just got to be patient. Because even if we just hold this through and Amazon pops above, somehow pops all-time highs again or close, these premiums could spike to pretty much 100% return from being down like 90%. So, or whatever the case they are. Novavax, I think, is getting clipped because their spread's at 1 cent. So we'll see. That's all earnings play after hours. But yeah, if they're selling off, it's the earnings. Roku and Facebook still holding. The check play is completely dead. And that's about it. The rest, we're just kind of hanging out. Not really making too many moves here, other than the Intel play. Hopefully get some pickup on that in a shorter time frame than usual. If you have any tickers you want me to go over, any tickers you want me to see, drop them in the comments below as well as in the chat, baby. We'll get to them as soon as we can. And yeah, outside of that, I'll be right back. I'm gonna run to the bathroom, and we're just hanging out, just chilling, just chilling. All right, I'll be right back. Play the music. Enjoy.
Monkey. Monkey. Monkey.
And we're back, baby. Looks like Apple's trying to find some legs. Do, 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 do. Intel's down, Apple's down 5%. Well, in the meanwhile, I'm gonna start looking for some day trades on the Robinhood. Alright. Let's see what we got. Mooski.
Monkey.
Good looks. I thought I paused it. Guess not. But I think we're good now. I think we're good now. Alright, let's get into... Look, pretty much all of FANG is up except Apple. Oh, Netflix getting clipped. Bloody hell, what happened here? Let's check out the heat map. So here's the heat map for the stocks right now. Looks like a lot of technology services are up. All of finance is just pretty much clipped. Health technology is trash. Consumer services is looks like retail. Technology. These two look decent. Not really seeing much good stuff here. There's that workhorse chart I was talking about. I like the levels on this. I'm not gonna play it, but something to think about. Something to think about, yeah. Holy lucid. Fastly had the pop. What about Overstock? Overstock's been a pretty... Damn, Overstock with the smash. Yeah, that's too hot for me to play. Let's get into eBay. Oh, eBay's at a discount a little bit for a little pop diddly. eBay doesn't look so bad. Oh, eBay has a flag. So we might be able to say eBay could probably pop to about 80 bucks. Can you hear me? Am I coming in clear now? I think I should be better. My bad. I was just mumbling. I was just like mumbling thoughts here and there. Do 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 do. Let me know if that's better on the audio. Rip. Let me know if that's better on the audio. Oh, we're good? All right, cool. Solid. Let's go. So, yeah, I was just talking about GME. GME kind of looks interesting here. You know, you might... It looks like it's primed for a breakout. Just on the 15-minute, right? You're getting a solid... Yeah, this thing looks like it's just about to run up a bag, but... I don't know. I don't know how much it could run. It's factoring a 17-point move here. Sometimes these contracts can go crazy, but playing the weekly is kind of risky. Kind of want to do it on the Robinhood because it looks good. It looks like you can get a breakout of about 230. I put the premium about 253. Very, very slow day. Not a lot going on. Not a lot going on. Trade, GameStop, 275. 221.75. Calls to puts is higher. Are there any weekly? 200 put on the weekly. Next week 220 calls. Someone's playing a spread. Dude, thing looks like it's gonna bust. This is what I'm looking at on the GME. We're above the body high almost. 222.13. It could pop, come back, and go. So just trying to see what's happening here. I'm gonna see if I put that there. Here's the 1 minute. That's what we're looking at. This could be a quick 85 bucks and could be a quick double up. I say we just, I'm gonna take it. Just gonna take it real quick. Whoa, what happened to the account? Roku died. Whatever. The NVAC spread is up again. So I'm just gonna take GME. I'm gonna take the this week 285 call. I'm probably not gonna get filled, but oh, I got filled. We'll see what happens. I got the 285 call. Essentially, the whole point of this is I'm just going to try to flip the premium real quick and see if we can get a breakout. Then we'll take it. Let's see. Let's see. Whoa, there goes the GameStop. It's up $95 now. So we're up about 16%. There's the pop. So we'll see what happens. It's still squeezing. Once this goes green dot blue, it should get a nice pop. It should. Where's Apple? Apple slowly. I think Apple traded sideways all day, and it's literally trying to stair step its way up. And I would love for GME to just freaking go crazy. $225.6 is a blast off candle, so. Here comes GameStop. Here it comes. Here comes GameStop. Don't you run. Do 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 do. Here comes the GameStop. Come on, do do do. Oh, come on, do do do. Come on. Let's see if the next candle is gonna be green. It's opening a little bit up, so let's see if we get a pop here. Here comes GameStop. Do 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 do. Here comes the GameStop. Let's see what happens. Back is killing me. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been sitting for quite some time. I'm going to stand up, get a stretch in. Here come the molasses, sending it to the moon. We good now, baby. Damn, couldn't get filled. Yeah, it just popped to 94. Like it popped to 94 cents as soon as I answered. Came back down to 87 and then popped again. So I think under $1 is fair, and then just try to practice good risk management. It looked good on the squeeze indicator, so. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So I had the squeeze up. So this is what I was saying, right? This green dot, blue candle, it's exiting, entering the squeeze. So it should push now. And the premiums could go crazy. I'm not saying that it will, but they can. You know? I only have one, so. See if we make it a good one. gonna move these out of the way. Yeah, the 9-day is getting ready. It looks like the 9-day EMA is getting ready to curl up and cross over. I want to know where that's at here. If we're seeing that as well. There's all the EMAs, so we're above them right now on the 15-minute, which on the 4-hour we're above them. See what the daily candle looks like. Yeah, so GameStop's up quite a lot. Getting a bounce on the weekly candle, so we'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Like I said, it's a little bit of a YOLO dolo, but we'll see if there's any volume that kicks in here, sends us higher. Just curious if it goes through, if it hits. So we got filled around 80 something. I think it was 81. Let's just say 80 for now. So, this goes to 350. That's a lot of bread, but we're not. I don't think we're gonna get that. Just looking for like a 5 or 10%. 15% pop is 14 bucks. It usually runs like 30%, so it could be like 1,100 bucks. This expires tomorrow, so this could be to the moon or back down to earth. But I do like that we're trading. Where there's another inside candle here, right? So it looks like this is an outside and then an inside day. And it looks like you're getting this candle to push towards 230s, and then above 230s could go crazy. Could go absolutely nuclear. It's in a squeeze, so it could break out towards the end of the day too, or even after hours or tomorrow. GameStop. So I'm not going to look at that. I'm just going to move over. So it's about, we're up 17%. Nothing too crazy. Apple, where's Apple? Apple finding a bounce move on the, I forget what EMA this is, 20? So I wonder if I could find my first ever tweet on GameStop. Let's see if I can do that. It's gonna take forever, actually. I think that was like last year. It's a nice little candle on GameStop. Alright. Let's see. Huh. Look at this. I'll never forget this. While that's running, look at this tweet. I tweeted this January 1st last year. Or earlier this year. At 6:30. GameStop looking juicy thick, watching for a bounce off volume, buying support $16 to $18 before pushing back to 20 to 22, then pushing to 24. Swing ideas late Jan 2021-24 calls, calls will be watching for solid dip entry. This was the chart. I was trading GameStop at $18. Explain that, dude. I liken the Jan 19-21 contracts or Jan 29-21 contracts. It's mind-boggling to me. That's mind-boggling. I'm so curious right now. January 21. Oh, so that pretty much already passed, but let's see. So GME's coming down now. This market has been pretty garbage. It's been very all over the place. Backtesting 22.22. Intel coming down, Apple coming down, GME coming down also. It's about 7%. So if it breaks below that 22.13 or just the 222 level, probably breaks even or goes lower. So I'll probably just like let it rock. Oh, do they have earnings today? I hope not. All right, now it's down to 1% on the premium. I mean, we did get the breakout candle, so we'll see. So let's see, GameStop. Just curious. So I tweeted that January 1st of 2021. Literally the beginning of the year. Alright, I'm going to end the stream. Connection's a little iffy, so we'll see what's going on here. Unless it comes back to life anytime soon, but... Oh, alright, I think we're back. I think it's back. Let's see what's going on here.